my deluxe blender from Pampered Chef. Tonight I'm going to be making a tomato soup recipe. I put in a 28 ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I put in a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and I put in 14 ounces of chicken broth, some rosemary from my garden. I actually have some left in my garden, some parsley, and some Thai basil because my husband couldn't find regular old sweet basil. So we're gonna have dinner tonight with the dynamic duo because I'm gonna make croutons in my air fryer, and I'm gonna make soup, tomato soup, in my deluxe blender. Here we go. While the tomato soup is cooking, I'm going to make some Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and garlic powder croutons for my soup. Air fry for 6 minutes. Oops. And let's go. Then I think I'm going to make myself a big girl grilled cheese. What is a big girl grilled cheese, you might ask? Well, it is grilled cheese with whatever kind of cheese you have, but I have got some cheddar cheese, I've got some pepper jack cheese, and that, my friends, is going to be a big girl grilled cheese with my tomato soup. Okay, so I put some olive oil and some butter together because I want this to cook at a higher temperature. And I'm going to put in my grilled cheese, but I need 2 hands, so I'm going to have to stop the camera. We're going to let it cook on this side for a while, and then when I flip it over, I'm going to put this nice heavy-duty press on top of it, press it, make sure the cheese gets all nice and melty. And this is going to be a great tomato soup with grilled cheese. Nice. And the soup is done. It smells amazing. And if you're on Weight Watchers, this is a 0-point soup. But I'm going to change all that by adding just a little cream. And then I'm just going to put the top on so that it doesn't spatter. And then I am going to pulse this. Let's serve this up. So we got a grown-up girl grilled cheese with tomato, cheddar cheese, a little bit of pepper jack cheese. We've got tomato soup and my homemade croutons that we're just gonna put on top because that's wonderful. A little bit of parsley to make it look pretty. A cocktail, the recipe with some tweaks, and I'll put that at the end of the video. Sorry about my finger being there. But this is the dinner I made in my Pampered Chef Deluxe Blender and the air fryer. The dynamic duo.